Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert JPG files to PNG. So let's get started the video. Open your web browser, search for JPG to PNG on the search bar. Click here. Once you are in this website, click on Upload Files. Locate and select the JPG file you want to convert. Click on Open. After uploading the file, it will take some time to convert. Once it's converted, click on the download button. So there you have it. You have successfully converted JPG files to PNG format. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.